Welcome back to another Gale Bears Repairs. Today we're going to change the rear wiper blade on this 2016 Hyundai i10. Right, let's get on with it. Right, so to get the rear wiper blade off this Hyundai i10, pivot the arm out. It'll feel like it doesn't want to come out, but you force it past. It'll resist there. Give it a pull out, and then you get the wiper blade, and he's got like a little retainer, so you've got to force him, pivot him that way. So you force him, and you feel him come off the stops, and you don't want to go on. It feels like you're breaking it. So there, it feels like you're breaking it, but you just force him that way, and then push the blade out to the side of the car that way. So you get the blade, fingers each side, and push it away, look. So off comes the blade. Now these are shaped blades. They're special blades. So you will require a Bosch H275. That's the part number you're going to require for this car. They're not a standard blade. Get your new blade, compare them. They do look the same. Right, so what you've got is this hole here, half a hole, and then you've got the pin there going through the center of the arm. So you have to position it like this. So have it at right angles to the glass. So you've got it at a right angle there. Push that pin into that hole. Push it in it goes, so it's in fully. And then you just got to rotate it around, but it'll feel like you're damaging it because there's some little nodules there, some little like lumps. So you've got to go past those. So this will go in like that. When you get to here, you'll think like you're going to snap it, but you're not going to. Just grab it hold and it'll clamp in. There it goes. So it's secure. It does feel like you're going to break it. So you put it in and then rotate it. Snap shut. Then down on the glass, and we'll give him a little test. EGB. What a nice easy job to replace the wiper blade on this Hyundai i10. A job that can be carried out by anybody with no experience and no tools required. Nice easy one for anybody. If you'd like to see any of my other Hyundai i10 videos, you can click on a link that's going to appear here now. And if you found this video has been useful and it's been informative, could you please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.